Technical SEO is crucial for ensuring search engines effectively crawl and index your site. Key elements include optimizing robots, TXT files, and sitemaps to guide crawlers, understanding hypertext transfer protocol status codes for server response insights, and using canonical tags to manage duplicate content. These strategies enhance your site's visibility and ranking potential. Understanding how search engines crawl and index websites is crucial. Technical signals like robots.txt and sitemaps guide crawlers, while hypertext transfer protocol status codes affect search engine optimization performance. Canonical tags resolve duplicate content, consolidating ranking signals. Professional tools are essential for auditing and optimizing technical search engine optimization, ensuring search engines effectively access and prioritize your digital assets. Technical SEO is the backbone of search engine optimization, ensuring search engines can crawl, understand, and index your site. It focuses on site communication with search engine bots, akin to digital plumbing. Mastering it allows marketers to control search engine perception and prioritization, offering a competitive edge that grows over time. Technical SEO is crucial as 68% of website traffic is organic. With Google's mobile-first indexing, technical complexity rises, demanding robust optimization. The $79 billion SEO industry underscores its strategic importance. As digital marketing evolves, technical SEO ensures your content and brand efforts achieve visibility amidst rising ad costs and consumer ad blindness. Digital marketing has revolutionized targeting, allowing brands to reach specific demographics with precision. Unlike traditional marketing's mass reach and high costs, digital offers real-time measurement and cost efficiency. Interactive engagement enables dynamic content optimization, making technical search engine optimization essential for discoverability. Without it, even the best content remains unseen, underscoring its mission-critical role in digital strategies. Marketing budgets have shifted dramatically, with digital marketing now taking over 56% of total budgets, up from 25% in 2013. This shift is driven by measurable return on investment, lower customer acquisition costs, and precise audience targeting. Digital channels offer unparalleled tracking and optimization, making them indispensable for modern marketing strategies. The robots.txt file is crucial for guiding search engine crawlers. Located at your domain root, it specifies which site areas should be crawled. It's not a security tool, but manages crawl budgets and prevents low-value page indexation. Common uses include blocking admin areas and duplicate pages, ensuring efficient site indexing. The robots.txt file, located at your domain root, guides search engine crawlers on which site areas to access. It's not a security tool, but manages crawl budget and prevents low-value page indexation. Commonly, it blocks staging environments, admin areas, and duplicate filter pages, while allowing essential content and linking to the extensible markup language sitemap. Strategically disallow only non-essential pages like admin sections and duplicates to avoid hiding valuable content. Optimize crawl budget by blocking low-value pages. Always include your XML sitemap in robots.txt for efficient page discovery. Test syntax with Google's robots.txt tester to prevent accidental site blocking. XML sitemaps act as your site's table of contents, guiding search engines to important URLs. They include indexable pages, last modification dates, change frequency, priority values, and alternate language versions. Sitemaps accelerate content discovery, ensure deep page crawling, and support complex site architectures, making them essential for advanced marketers managing enterprise sites. Generate XML sitemaps programmatically using your content management system or a sitemap tool to avoid errors. Segment sitemaps by content type, like products or blogs, for better indexation monitoring. Submit these to Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools and ensure they update automatically with content changes to maintain accuracy. HTTP status codes are crucial for server search engine communication. They inform search engines about the status of your web pages. A 200 OK indicates successful loading, while 301 and 302 redirects guide search engines to new locations. Client errors like 404 mean a page is missing, and server errors like 500 indicate server issues. HTTP status codes are crucial for server-browser communication. They fall into categories: 2xx for success, 3xx for redirection, 4xx for client errors, and 5xx for server errors. Each code impacts how search engines index your content. Understanding these codes ensures your pages are indexed correctly and efficiently. The 200 OK status code is crucial for search engine optimization, indicating successful page loading and accessibility. Only pages with 200 or 304 not modified codes are indexed and ranked. Beware of soft 404s, pages incorrectly returning 200 codes instead of 404s, leading to wasted crawl budget and indexation issues. Ensure deleted pages return proper 404 codes. 301 redirects signal a permanent move, crucial for search engine optimization as they transfer 99% of link equity. Ideal for site restructuring or domain changes, always redirect to relevant pages. 302 redirects indicate a temporary move, often used for A/B testing or maintenance, but don't pass full link equity. Misusing 302s can hinder PageRank flow. A 404 status code indicates a page no longer exists at a URL. While normal, excessive 404s can waste crawl budget and suggest poor maintenance. Regularly audit 404s using Search Console. Redirect pages with backlinks to relevant alternatives using 301 redirects. For obsolete content, allow the 404 to stand as it's the appropriate response. The 500 internal server error indicates a server's unexpected failure to fulfill requests, often signaling systemic issues. Persistent 500 errors can lead to de-indexing and reduced crawl rates. Diagnose using server logs to identify patterns, such as traffic spikes or specific page types. Address causes like database issues or code errors promptly. Implement temporary static cached versions for critical pages to maintain user experience. Canonical tags are essential for addressing duplicate content issues. They signal to search engines which URL is the preferred version, consolidating ranking signals. Implement canonical tags on pages with similar content to guide search engines effectively, ensuring your search engine optimization efforts are not diluted across multiple URLs. Duplicate content arises when identical content appears at multiple URLs, confusing search engines on which to rank. This can dilute search engine optimization effectiveness. Common scenarios include e-commerce product pages with sorting parameters, separate mobile URLs duplicating desktop content, printer-friendly versions, and protocol variations like HTTP versus HTTPS. Proper management is crucial. Canonical tags are HTML elements that guide search engines to the master URL of a page, consolidating ranking signals like backlinks and user engagement. Placed in the section, they suggest the preferred URL. However, search engines may ignore them if inconsistencies arise, highlighting the importance of proper implementation. Implement self-referencing canonicals on every page to prevent search engines from selecting alternative versions. Use absolute URLs to avoid issues during migrations. Ensure only one canonical tag per page to prevent conflicts. Avoid canonical chains by pointing duplicates directly to the final URL. Canonical tags should only link to similar content to avoid soft cloaking. Avoid canonicalizing all paginated pages to page 1. This removes subsequent pages from the index. Instead, index each page separately. Always canonicalize to HTTPS to prevent duplicate indexation. Never point canonical tags to 404s or redirects, as search engines will ignore them, potentially leading to unintended indexing. Screaming Frog SEO Spider is crucial for comprehensive site crawling, identifying broken links, redirect chains, and missing canonical tags. Ahrefs Site Audit excels in continuous monitoring, integrating backlink data for prioritized fixes. Google Search Console provides direct insights from Google, showing index pages and indexation issues. These tools are essential for effective technical search engine optimization audits and ongoing monitoring. Implementing technical SEO is a continuous cycle of auditing, prioritizing, implementing, validating, and monitoring. Start by crawling your site to identify issues like status code errors and sitemap gaps. Prioritize fixes for high-value pages, then deploy changes systematically. Validate through Search Console and search engine optimization tools, and maintain vigilance by tracking indexation and crawl errors. Mastering technical SEO fundamentals like robots, TXT, sitemaps, status codes, and canonical tags is crucial. These elements ensure your content marketing and link building efforts translate into organic visibility. Regular audits, continuous monitoring, and strategic use of canonical tags consolidate ranking signals, providing a competitive edge in digital marketing.